Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine air filter in a 2015 Toyota Camry LE. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2012 to 2017, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood and locate the air filter housing. Disengage the two metal clips securing the lid of the housing. Unplug the mass airflow sensor wiring harness by pressing in on the tab and slipping the two halves apart. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp connecting the housing to the air hose. Once the hose clamp is loosened, remove the housing lid by disengaging it from the air hose and the two notches securing it at the side. Now you can remove the old filter and clean any dust or debris out of the bottom half of the housing. Install your new filter, making sure that it's properly seated all the way around. Reposition the housing lid, making sure the tabs on the side slip into their notches and the port slips back into the air hose. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring harness and its plastic clip. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to secure the hose clamp. Use the two metal clips to secure the lid to the housing. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you are not comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.